Adil, is it clear? So welcome to 9th standard geography classroom, and the first chapter we were studying was the India's size and location, and we have taught many things about India, and you people have done many things. So you people no need to know. I just say that because if you have an outline map also, that is fine. This is Corona period, you can't go outside, you can't go to the shop. That is why I have said, if you just draw a single outline, whatever form it is, no problem. Yes. I only want one thing, you people have to know each and every state's location. That is the thing I want to know. If I ask you, you don't look into a textbook, just look into me, and I am asking, if you believe, does West Bengal share boundary with Assam? What about you, Adil? What do you feel? It shares a very small part, right, Adil? Yeah. Many of, if you realize, if you visualize the map, we can't even get that. Assam is in another portion. It is the northeastern states, so it doesn't share boundary with the main part of West Bengal. Actually, it shares. So you people, if you are clear with each and every state's location, then it is clear. Then you can say this, whatever teachers I say, you can say that. Does Odisha share boundary with share ocean boundary? Yes, Odisha shares. If you know the location of Odisha, you can say that. That is what I want. So that is why I have given that work also. Okay? So don't be panicked with my work. And in last class we have studied two main things. One was the size of India, and second one was the location of India. So you people have to write those things in your notebook. You have to take the in the notebook. You have separate geography notebook and write the chapter name, and you have to write a size of India, and you have to write the points related with size. And we have said in different ways, India have this much area, India is this much percentage part of the whole world, and it is seventh largest country in the world. So like that. And also about location, you can say the latitude, longitude, extension, you can say in which continent, you can say in which hemisphere. You have to write that also. That is what you have to write in the notebook, size and location. Then today we are learning about India and the world, and also India and the neighboring countries. And before that, I know that you people have searched about India's states, and for the last 3 months, India doesn't have, this is the final nail, you people have to stick on your brain. India have 28 states only. No 29, it is 28. If you want, you can write it down. You see you people are looking like this. India have 28 states only. Jammu Kashmir is not at all a state. Then, second thing, how many union territories does India have? You can see this one. We have India neighboring. This map is actually not the correct map. It is the outdated map. Okay. In this, it is Jammu Kashmir, and Jammu Kashmir is shown as a state. Actually, it is divided. This is Jammu, and this is Jammu, and this is Ladakh, and both of them are now union territories. Okay. So 28 states only 28 states, no Jammu and Kashmir. And the second thing, how many union territories? You have 8 union territories. Before it was 7. You have now, presently it is not 7, it is 8 union territories. How it becomes 8 union territories? There was 7 already there. There was Delhi, there was Pondicherry, there was Lakshadweep, there was Andaman Nicobar, there was Dadra and Nagar Haveli, there was Daman and Diu, and there was Chandigarh. All 7 were union territories. So now the thing is, we have added Jammu as well as Ladakh to the list of union territories. So it have become 9. And they have joined Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu as a single union territory. So it becomes 8. So the final list of union territories are like this. Just note it down if you don't know about this. The final list of union territories are, first one, it is New Delhi. Second one, I will write it here. First one, it is Delhi. I will write it here. First one, it is Delhi. Then Daman and Diu plus Dadra and Nagar Haveli, both are a single one. They are considered as a one union territory. Then Pondicherry is the third one. Then Chandigarh, the capital of the Haryana as well as Punjab, Chandigarh. Then you have Lakshadweep. You have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Adil, a noise is coming from your home. Your mama is speaking very smartly. Don't ask her, let them speak. Let us speak, no problem. Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar, then we have now 6. Now the new ones, Ladakh have written in the top, and also Jammu. So now it is 2, 4, 6 and 8. It is 8 union territories. Is it clear, Adil? Okay, yes, that is clear. And this is a new and brand new information. Your textbook is outdated. In your textbook, it is given as 29 states, 7 union territories. So you people, you are a geography student of my class. When anybody asks you, actually how many union territories does have, you have to answer that with bold. You know that the union territories are 8. You know that. And the newly added union territories are Ladakh as well as Jammu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, they both are united and they are considered as one union territory. So that is it about the state, and we are coming to the India and the world. You know that the location of India, it is actually, it is on the central part of Asia. When you look into the world map, it is located in the central part of the Asia, and also it is projected towards the Indian Ocean. The whole India, you can see this one. This is a Google map. I think you can see in the screen, right, Adil? You can see the whole India. Oh, it is loading. It will be loaded down. Yeah. This is the whole Asia. This is the whole Asia. This is the whole Asia, and we have more Asia portion there also. You can see the location of it. It is almost in the central part. It is almost in the center of the whole Asia, and this tip of India is projected towards the ocean. So that can help all the other Western and the Eastern Asian countries to connect easily with India. and that makes India more important in Asia, in the whole Asia. And it is easy to connect all the other countries through airways or through waterways towards India. And that is why, even though India is projected towards this ocean, and that is one of the major things, that ocean is named as Indian Ocean. So that is the main thing when we say about India to other countries. It is very easily for every country to connect with India, not only through waterways, also in the when you have learned about many navigators. Many of them have Columbus or any other navigators. They have came to India through waterway, because when we are traveling through this way, when someone is traveling through the ocean, if suppose our technical assistant Adil is going on a boat, he is very freely moving like this, he finds India. Hi, what is this? So it is very easy to access, and that is the way many of you know about Vasco da Gama. He have came to Kozhikode. He have made his footprint, that all we have studied in the history portion. So we can, it is very easy to access in that. That is why the India is very much connected with all other Asian as well as all other countries. That is the main part which is said in India and the world countries. So is it clear, Adil? Adil, you're sleeping. Adil, you gone. Hello, Adil. Is it clear? Okay, fine. I can hear you now. Okay, I can hear. So, then the next thing is India and the neighboring countries. Sorry. So this, for teaching, this is the last portion of the class. We have only 5 minutes. You have a work to do in the home, at your home, and I am unmuting some of most students. Don't know anybody. If you left, you are out of my class. And Abhay Nair of 9C is minimized. I am unmuting Suzanne. Suzanne, can you hear me? Okay, be unmuted. I am unmuting some other person. I want from Ganga B. Nair of 9C. Ganga, can you hear me? Ganga? Can you please be close to your mic? I can hear as a slow voice. Close to your computer. Okay, Ganga? Yeah, one more person. Swastika B. Manoj. Is it clear? Swastika? Okay, so Swastika can hear. Suzanne can speak, Adil can speak, so 4 persons can speak now. So I am making a competition for them, a simple one. I can hear 4 people, Swastika, Ganga, I can hear, Suzanne I can hear, and also I can hear Adil. For you people, I am saying a state name. You have to throw the capital. You have to suddenly say the capital of that state. Whoever says first will be counted. Is that clear? Adil is clear. Suzanne, is that clear? Yes. So everybody is opening the capital and state book, right? Yeah, I know that. You have opened the next window and you have taken the list of the states and capital. Wikipedia, come on Wikipedia, come on load Wikipedia, and Wikipedia is loaded and it is ready. Come on, sir, show to the question. Is it right? No, don't cheat that. Don't cheat. I can't do anything of that. Don't cheat. Okay, try to say. No problem. Okay, here is the question. The first state, you have, whenever you hear the state, say the capital. Okay? So the first state is, say the capital of Bihar. Say the capital of Bihar. No. Patna. Who have said that? It was Swastika, right? Yeah, good, Swastika. I'm very happy to hear from you. I want more answer. Now I am also unmuting Surya Lakshmi 9C. I have unmuted her. I have unmuted Steve 9C. I have unmuted Jessica Evan. I have unmuted Arundhati D 9C. So you people can also answer. Next status, say the capital of Tripura. Agartala. Who have said that? It is Surya Lakshmi. Yeah, Surya Lakshmi, is it you? Yeah, good girl. It is Surya Lakshmi, the capital of Tripura. It is right. And I have also unmuted Vishal. I have unmuted Abhay Sunil. I have unmuted Vinayak 9A. He is minimized. I have unmuted Vishnu Dutt Pillai also. I have unmuted Vaishali 9B also. Oh, Surya Lakshmi, your house dog is barking a lot. No problem. Anyway, here it is. The next question, say the capital of Goa. Panaji, again Surya Lakshmi, it is you. Yeah, good girl. Now, capital of which state's capital is Dehradun? Yeah, Uttarakhand. I heard from a boy. Who is that? Adil, come on, Adil, my boy. Okay, many of you are still searching for the answer. I know that everybody should be clear with this. Suzanne, can you hear? Why you was not answering? Many of you. Vishnudat, can you hear? You have to answer. So I am muting all of you. And I am unmuting Adil. Okay, Adil, you can hear me, okay? Okay, fine. So now the last part is India's neighboring nation. Please mute whoever I have unmuted, please mute that. Except Adit, all others have to be muted. Okay. Okay, I have muted all. It is Abin Thomas. Abin Thomas, you have to be Albin Thomas. Okay, fine. Okay, it is muted. So next thing is about the neighboring nations. Neighboring nation, we have, when you look into the map, I will take the Google map, you can see this. Adil, you can see this? Okay, I think everybody can see this. So this is the whole India map. How much nation does we share boundary with? We share our land boundary exactly with 7 states, 7 nations that are. First one is this one, it is Pakistan. Second one is a little portion of Afghanistan. Then the third one is a lot of portion with China. Then fourth one with Nepal. Fifth one with Bhutan. And sixth one with Myanmar. And the last 7th one with Bangladesh. So these are the 7 states where India share boundary with. I will underline those states, those countries' name one more time. These are the country names. First one, Afghanistan, Pakistan, you can hear China, it is Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are the 7 nations which share boundary with India. Land boundary, exactly land boundary with India. Then we have the 2 islands which share ocean boundary with India. One is Sri Lanka and the other one is Maldives. You can't see Maldives because it is that much tiny. It is there in the ocean. So Maldives and Sri Lanka are the two nations which share ocean boundary with India. So actually we have 9 countries sharing boundary, 7 land boundary sharing countries, and two ocean boundary sharing countries also. So that is the countries, and you people have a work to do for the next week. You people have to send it to me through the WhatsApp. The thing you have to do is, you have to create a column, a table. You have to create a table. Have to listen this carefully. You have to create a table where there should be 4 columns. The first one is the neighboring country. The first column should be the neighboring country. I will draw it in a board. Adil, can you see the board? Can you? I think now, okay, fine. Now it is clear for you, right? We just need to create a table with 4 columns. And the first column should be the country name. It should be the country name. Everybody have to write it out, country name. Next one is distance in kilometer. That means you have to write how much distance does that country share with India. If it is about Pakistan, then how much distance, it is 4,000 something, how much distance it share with India. That is the second column you have to write. And the third column is number of states, number of Indian states it share boundary with. Suppose Pakistan share boundary with 4 states. It is Rajasthan, it shares with Gujarat. If it is like 4 states, you have to written as 4. And in the 4th column, you have to name. 4th column must be a little more larger. Name of the states. Which all states? If it is Rajasthan, Gujarat, and what all states? It have to be like that. Is that clear for you, Adil? So you have to create a table like this. So you need to create a table. I'm saying one more time. You have to create a table with 4 columns. First column should be country name, which we can write 7 countries which share land boundary with India. And the second one is the distance of the country. Distance, how much distance is share? Does it share kilometers? Does it share 100 kilometer or 90 kilometer, whatever it is, distance. Now next, yeah, come on, Ganga, you can unmute and speak. What happened, Ganga? Ganga Bidayar, please unmute and speak. I will unmute you. I think you have to say something. It is 9C Ganga. I can't see you. No. I'm sorry, I can't see you. Okay. Ganga Bidayar, I have unmuted you. Why you have raised your hand, Ganga? I can't hear you. You have to speak loudly. Come close to the computer. Yeah, come on, speak. Sorry, Ganga, your voice is not at all clear. I'm sorry, you can ask in another way. You can ask through WhatsApp or any other thing. So, whatever it is, this is the work we have done to you, given to you. You have to create a 4-column table and you have to write all those things. I am unmuting another person. I am unmuting Bhavesh of 9C. Bhavesh, is it clear for you? Is that work clear for you? Is it clear what table you have to create it? Okay, fine. Thank you, Bhavesh, for your support. And this is the end of this session, and I hope everybody have understood what I have said.